Welcome to Sarasa Samutsaran School. This is Health Matayam 2.
Hello everybody! Hello everyone! Hope you're all doing good today. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Carla Circolado, and today I will be teaching the subject. So if you are ready, you can bring out your notebook, your pen, and your books, and please pay attention. Let's begin.
Let's begin by reading our vocabulary words, so please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Swelling, swelling. Period, period. Gain, gain. Now repeat after me. Swelling, period. Gain. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Menstruation, menstruation. Enlarge, enlarge. Pimple, pimple. Now repeat after me. Menstruation, enlarge, pimple. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last set of words. Gradually, gradually. Broader, broader. Puberty, puberty. Now repeat after me. Gradually, broader. Puberty. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Bring out the paper or your notebooks and write as follows. Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word swelling. Number 1. Swelling. Number 2. Spell the word menstruation. Number 2. Menstruation. And number 3. Spell the word puberty. Number 3. Puberty. Okay, now let's check your answers. Get your red pen for checking. If your answer is correct, please put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer beside your answer. So let's read and spell together. Number 1. Swelling. S W E L L I N G. Swelling. Number 2. Menstruation. M E N S T R U A T I O N. Menstruation. And number 3, puberty. P U B E R T Y. Puberty. Very good. So today, we will review what we have discussed on our last meeting. We will discuss about the signs of puberty in boys and also the physical changes during puberty. As we grow old, from childhood, we are noticing some changes or physical changes in our body. And that physical changes are signs of puberty. And that is our topic for today, signs of puberty. So please get your books and open it on page 3. Page 3. So if you were there, let's start reading the first paragraph. Please repeat after me. There are some certain changes for boys and girls. That are the signs of puberty. Very good. So we all know that puberty is when a child begins to develop and change as they become a young adult. So we will talk about it today. This changes the physical changes that happens during puberty. So we will first talk the physical changes in boys. Okay, repeat after me. Testes are enlarged. Very good. So the testes are two small organs that are found inside the scrotum. So as you can see in this picture, this is the testis or the testicle in singular form. Okay? This is the testicle inside the scrotum area. So testicle is the one responsible for making sperm that is used for reproduction. Testicle or testes are also the one producing hormones. Okay, in boys, it's called testosterone. Everybody repeat after me. Testosterone. Very good. So, testosterone is involved in puberty. Okay, so let's ask some questions. Where can you find the two small organs which are called testes? Very good. You can find the two small organs, testes, inside the scrotum area. Another question. What is the hormone called that is involved in puberty? Very good. It's called testosterone. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Repeat after me. In boys, penis begins to grow longer. Very good. Let's read together. You will reach your fully developed penis size between ages 18 and 21. Okay, as you can see in this picture, the first boy, this one is before puberty. So as you can see the stages, the penis becomes longer. Okay, the growth of the penis is less than half an inch per year. So between ages 11 to 15, but it continues to grow while still developing. Okay, it says here that you will reach the fully developed size at the ages 18 and 21. Okay, I have a question. At what age will you reach your fully developed penis size? Very good. Between the ages 18 and 21. Okay, now let's move on to the next sign. Repeat after me. In boys, pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Very good. As we can see in this picture, the hair starts to appear in this young man's armpit. Okay? Also, the pubic area, the hair starts to appear. As we grow, the hair also will be thickened and it will grow more curlier. Okay? It is because of the hormone called DHEA. Okay? So, some boys also have facial hairs. Okay? They will start to grow some facial hairs as well. Okay, so let's have some question. Okay, so the question is, in boys, which part of their body or where does the hair starts to appear? Where does the hair starts to appear? Very good. It will start appearing in armpit area and pubic area. Okay. Very good. Okay, next sign. Please repeat after me. In boys, voice begins to break. Very good. Begins to break or get deeper. Okay, let's read the first paragraph. The larynx grows prominently. Vocal cords become longer and thicker, causing voice to get deeper. Okay, so before puberty, the boy's larynx is pretty small. So it is thin and that's why they have small and high voice. Okay, the larynx can be found inside the throat. Okay, this is called also the voice box. It produces, the vocal cords can be found inside the voice box. Okay, and that produces the voice or the sounds. Okay, when it's lengthened or thickened, the voice will get deeper. Okay, the next paragraph. Your voice become hoarse. It may crack or break, but this process lasts only a few months. Okay, so for the boys during puberty, the voice may crack or break, but this won't last. It only lasts for only few months. Then your voice will get deeper. Okay, so the question is, what is causing voice to get deeper? Very good. It's because of the larynx. It grows and the vocal cords becomes longer and thicker. That's why the voice is getting deeper. Okay, very good. Next slide. Everybody repeat after me. In boys, shoulders become broader. Very good. Our first paragraph or bullet says, onset of puberty brings many physical changes in boys. Their chest and shoulders broaden. As we can see on our example or picture example, this is the boy's chest before puberty. Then the next picture is during puberty and adulthood. We can see the changes from the size of their shoulders and chest. It is widen or broaden. Okay, so during this time, the boys will also notice the development of their muscle mass. Okay, boys will become taller. They will form muscles and become stronger, especially the upper part of their body. So the question is, what happens to chest and shoulders during puberty? Very good. So the chest and shoulders of boys becomes broader. Okay, now let's move on to our next slide. Another sign is the pimples. Okay, repeat after me. In boys, pimples may appear on the face. Very good. So as we can see in this picture, a young boy is suffering or experiencing acne. Okay, let's read the first bullet. Let's read together. Hormones stimulate the sebaceous glands to make more sebum, and the glands can become overactive. When there is too much sebum, the oil clogs the pores and leads to acne. Okay, very good. So, it is the hormones that causes the acne because it stimulates the sebaceous glands to make more sebum. Okay? So the glands, they become overactive. And if there is too much oil or sebum in the oil clogs, it will lead to acne. It is also genetic. Okay? So, when one member of your family experiences or suffers pimples during their puberty, most likely you will also suffer or experience pimples or acne. So the question, is pimples or acne genetic? Very good. Yes, it is genetic. Like I've said, if one of the member of your family experience acne during their puberty, most likely you will also experience acne or pimples. Okay. Now let's do our exercise. Bring out your paper or your notebook and write as follows. Our exercise is fill in the blanks. You can choose your answer in the box. Number 1. Voice begins to blank. Number 1. Voice begins to blank. Is it break or shrink? Number 2. Blank begins to grow longer. Number 2. Blank begins to grow longer. Is it testis or penis? And number 3. Blank become broader. Number 3. Blank become broader. Is it armpit hair or shoulder? And number 4. Blank may appear on the face. Number 4. Blank may appear on the face. Is it feet or pimple? And lastly, number 5. There are some certain changes for boys and girls that are signs of blank. Number 5. There are some certain changes for boys and girls that are signs of blank. Is it periods or puberty? Okay, now let's talk about the summary of our topic that we've discussed for today. We've discussed the signs of puberty in boys. So let's see what we've learned. In boys, what part is enlarged? In boys, what part is enlarged? Very good. Testis. Another question. What happens to boys' voice or vocal cords? Very good. So the boy's voice breaks and gets deeper. Okay, another question. What will appear on your face during puberty? What will appear on your face during puberty? Very good. Pimples. And lastly, just to summarize, what will grow on your face, lower area, or pubic area, and armpit area? What will grow on your face, your lower area or pubic area, and armpit area? Very good. You will grow facial hair, pubic hair, and armpit hair.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all learned our lesson. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to watch the friendly reminders for your safety. See you again!
Thank you, students. Just reminders. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, and eat healthy. We will see you soon. Goodbye.